Hey YouTube, this is a short little unboxing video that I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm trying to be diligent with my YouTube uploads, even if they're small videos like this, just because life is pretty busy and YouTube is not my full-time thing, but I still like showing you guys what I'm working on. And this is something that I picked up on eBay this past week. It caught my eye, and the price was very low. So it is broken, but I hope to do something with it, and like a retro mod type of laptop. So let me show you what I got. Just to so we can kind of see what my vision is here. All right. All right, so first thing is software. This came with LapLink, the ultimate laptop file transfer tool in the office and around the world. I wonder if these floppies still work. This is the 5 1/4 version. Let me know if you want these software uploaded somewhere. Maybe I'll put them in archive.org or something. This is LapLink 3.0. This is an empty envelope. All right, so what else do we have here? We have the charger, which is 7.5 volts, 1.4 amps, and 5.6 volts DC, 2.4 amps. So, and then it uses this weird plug. I actually might have another laptop that could use this adapter just to get it going, but maybe I'll do that in another video after I... Oh, and here's a hint. It's a Packard Bell. All right, let me put this aside. What's in here? These are, looks like LapLink cable. Yeah, looks like a LapLink transferring cable. And the unit itself. All right, let me take this box out of the way here. I think there's nothing in here anymore. All right, so here it is. Here's a little hint. It's a Packard Bell. America grew up listening to us. It still does. Okay, that's interesting. And unwrap it. All right, so there it is. Let me clear up a little bit of my workbench here. And yeah, it's an old Packard Bell laptop. Let me show you around it a little bit. So on this side, I can see that during shipping, this massive battery wanted to come out. So it's got this door on here. Let me see how that works. All right, so let me show you the back a little bit. This is a Packard Bell model number 38625 NB4M. So that must be a 386 running at 25 megahertz with 4 megabytes of RAM and 120 gig, I mean, sorry, not gig, 120 meg hard drive possibly. Yep, 4 megabyte and 120 megabyte of hard drive space. That's actually not bad for a 3D, for a laptop. What year was this made? Let me see. Does it say somewhere on here? No, but maybe it's maybe that 95 at the end of the serial number is from 1995. Or actually, no, the opposite. Maybe the 92 from 1992, the 26th week, and then the rest of the numbers are the actual serial number. That's probably what's going on there. All right, so maybe we have a 386 from 1992. One thing I do want to do right now is get this battery out of here so it doesn't leak or cause any problems. Probably weighs a ton because of this battery. And I don't think I'm going to get it working with that battery. But it is not happy. How do I... Okay, this goes up, maybe, and then comes out. All right, so I have no idea how that comes out. Let me see. So this goes like this. All right, let me at least close it. All right, at least the battery's in there. I'll figure out how to take it out at some point. And all right, let's take a look around it before I open it up. I'll leave the last bit for a little bit of suspense. On this panel here, we have VGA output and a built-in modem. There's nothing in the front. On this side, we have a floppy drive and another little cover with PS2 keypad. Oh, a nice keypad and mouse. That's nice. I like that you can plug in a mouse right there. And I really like these spring-loaded little protective covers that they have all over. It makes the whole computer very sleek, you know? You don't see any ports, even in the back. It's very, very nice design. Nice and clean. That's what caught my eye on this. Then you have in the back the power input. Then this is a little cover, comes off like this. And, well, that feels flimsy. It's probably never been used. It's got, what is this? There are no labels on this side, but I'm assuming serial, maybe another serial, and a parallel. I doubt it has two parallel ports, although this does have a lot of LapLink software with it. And I think LapLink was mainly a parallel solution. So maybe, I don't know. I gotta see which one of these. Oh wait, never mind. It's right here. External floppy disk drive, right here. And that's probably why they have this this plug right here, so that you don't accidentally plug in something that is not supposed to be in there. And this is the parallel port and the serial. All right, so let me close this before I break off the the cover. And this is an external bus, I guess for add-ons and things like that. Or dock station or some kind of dock maybe. All right, not bad. Let me close this. All right, I'm surprised that none of these little covers are missing, because that is so flimsy. All right, and finally, let me see. I need both hands for this. Finally, there you go. Very nice little computer. I think this is black and white. So, and the problem with this unit is this guy, the LCD panel. It's broken. So, keyboard is really nice. Oh, I don't know if it's really nice, but it's kind of spongy. But it's got a nice size for a laptop. Definitely see myself writing some code or something on this. Up here it's got standby or charge, power, floppy drive access lights, hard drive access lights, and some function key helper, like you can write down like what F1 does for Lotus or something, Lotus 1 to 3. It's got a nice little, yeah, pretty good. I really like how that feels. Like if you put your hands on the keyboard, perfectly sized for my hands at least. And it's got arrow keys. So if that were color, a 386 with arrow keys, pretty good. Now, one thing I'm not sure here is, it's unclear to me if this has any sound built in. I highly doubt it. I highly doubt it. And I didn't see any PCM-CIA slots. No. So if I wanted sound on this, I'd probably need to add something through the parallel port. All right, so what is my plan for this broken laptop? Well, in a follow-up video, I'm gonna try to start it up and see what happens. Then plug in an external monitor so that we can take a look at what the output is without fixing anything. And I'm assuming that it'll probably boot up with an external monitor and it'll show some output, and I'll probably be able to get it to boot into DOS somehow, assuming that this floppy drive works. And then I am gonna start looking at ideas for how to replace this LCD with something from eBay, or Alibaba or something that gives me color from the VGA signal. So if I can replace this unit, all the internals, with something that I can use the VGA signal to display something, a really nice color image, then this might turn to be a nice little retro modded 386 computer for some retro gaming. And then if I add the AdLib sound card through the parallel port, we might be doing pretty well. Yeah. So yeah, I'll see if I can get that project started. I'm gonna in a follow-up video, I'm gonna power this up, like I said, and we'll get started. So this is like part one of many. All right. So if you like this kind of stuff, sign up, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell, and let me know in the comments what you think. If you have other ideas of what I can do with this thing, other than my hack to replace this screen with like a modern VGA display, then let me know, because I'm curious if other people have other thoughts on this model. All right, thanks. Till next time.